Welcome to an extraordinary Northwoods retreat, a one-of-a-kind luxury farmhouse estate nestled along the beautiful Montreal River in Hurley, Wisconsin. This is more than a property, it's a piece of living history, restored with care and designed for those who crave space, serenity, and timeless charm. As you arrive, you're greeted by 51 acres of pristine wilderness, complete with gardens, apple trees, a private pond, and over 1,300 feet of river frontage. The long, winding driveway opens to the heart of the estate, a beautifully restored 5-bedroom, 2-bath farmhouse that blends historic detail with modern elegance. Step inside and feel the warmth of authentic craftsmanship. From rich wood accents and high ceilings to carefully chosen finishes, every corner tells a story. The home has been lovingly updated while keeping its rustic soul intact, perfect for cozy family gatherings or quiet evenings watching the river flow. Step out to the wraparound porch, a front row seat to panoramic views of the pond and lush Northwoods landscape. It's the perfect place for your morning coffee or sunset conversations surrounded by nature's peace. Now, let's talk about the showpiece of this estate, the 60-foot round barn originally built in 1916 and now registered as an official Wisconsin historical site. This architectural gem has been fully restored, standing proudly alongside a charming 20-foot milkhouse, a new 2-car garage with loft storage, and multiple outbuildings, including one transformed into a cozy guest retreat, complete with a wood stove, and another finished as sleep-in quarters for guests or family. Explore the property's groomed trails, ideal for walking, ATV rides, or snowmobiling, with direct trail access right from your backyard. Every season offers something magical here, from the bright greens of summer to the snowy wonder of winter. This property isn't just a house, it's an experience, a rare chance to own a piece of Wisconsin's past while living in modern comfort. So, if you've been dreaming of your own private Northwoods escape, where history, beauty, and nature meet, this estate is waiting for you.